Hello, today I'm gonna make Chawanmushi. It's a Japanese steamed eggs. I'm gonna use 2 eggs, 2 large eggs. I use the seasoning soy sauce. It looks like this for 1 tablespoon. And 300 cc of water. Okay, I'm gonna put my seasoning soy sauce here. And beat the egg and add the water. This is for 2, cook for 2. If you have more, you double it. You have 4, you double the eggs for 4. Okay. After I beat the egg, I'm gonna pour in the cup. I'm gonna remove the bubble here. And pour in the cup. Almost full. Okay, I'm gonna remove the bubble again from the cup. Okay, then I'm gonna put in my pot. I'm gonna steam in the cooking pot with the water and close the lid and turn on my heat. Steam it until it boils. Okay, let it boil for about 1 minute. I with the bubble like 1 minute and leave the lid closed and turn off the heat. And leave it there for about 10 minutes. I think my chawanmushi or steamed egg is ready to serve. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to taste. Okay, yeah, it looks good. It's good. This is my steamed egg. I hope you try to make it at home. And thank you for watching.